Welcome to the future of tech. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT Vision. It combines text and image understanding, making it perfect for creators, students, and businesses. Next, we have Runway Gen-3. This AI video generator allows anyone to create cinematic quality clips without expensive equipment. Tool number 3 is Midjourney V6. It's pushing the limits of AI art, producing hyper-realistic images for design, marketing, and storytelling. Number 4 is Perplexity AI. Think of it as a smarter search engine that gives you reliable answers with sources. Finally, tool number 5 is Synthesia. It lets you create professional AI avatars that speak in multiple languages, perfect for global content. No olvide subscribert y uni root en nuestra comunidad.